Hello guys, Silver Game of Thrones, new package today, rare coins. As I say, I like to collect some unusual coins, not American silver eagle or Canadian leaves. So let's see, the first one. Let me take it out. This is a cool coin. This is all scratched out. Look on this face. This is 2019 South Korea. 1 ounce silver tiger. Wow, that's a nice coin, really nice coin. When I saw it first time, it's so natural, right? It's scratch face, you see? So, what is the mintage? 20,000 coins, the mintage. It minted at Comsco. It's a mint of South Korea. Limited mint is 20,000. So they came without plastic. I'll put it in plastic. As I say, it's depiction of the face in Korean tiger, with its claws tearing through the image. Nice. And there is a Korean map assembled from letter of the Korean alphabet. I believe it's alphabet. Not that I can read Korean. National emblem left, security from right. Republic of Korea. Yeah, but this face, it's so cool, right? 20,000 mintage. What do you like to own? American Eagle or such a tiger? Very cool coin, I do like it. So it go into my feed capsule, direct feed capsule from guardhouse. Voila. Done. Now it's protected, and I can hold it. Very cool. Next one, Rwanda. I like this Rwanda coins, and you know what? People say keep it here. I never keep it in all these crappy plastics. Why I need to keep it in these crappy plastics? Because someone else want to buy it in this plastic? No, I don't want to keep it in this plastic. So I'm take it out. Okay, now Nautilus. This is a Victoria ship, right? So what is a mintage? Mintage is oh, they never say what is a mintage. They say is Nautilus 1 series. I have 7 or 8 such in our Rwanda coins. They're all kind of different coins, but this one is a Spanish Carac Victoria. It was commanded by Ferdinand Magellan, and the first ship in Comune Voyage, the world, on which this Magellan did Come Voyage, the world. Nice. I don't know, there is something special about these Rwanda coins. The way they build it, you know, the surface is so flat, right? You can see there is a compass in the background, right? You see here there is a compass, encryption nautical ones, 2019, and some nautical instruments, and the purity, like 999. Nice. And the back side is the official seal of Rwanda and the face value of 50 francs. I don't know, guys, these coins are very collectible. I suggest, if someone is thinking, they are really beautiful. When you see them, in person, they are outstanding coins and very beautiful. So this is going into capsule like this. Cool coins. Not sure what is the mintage. Next one. Next one is, it is Somali, African leopard. Sorry, okay, like this. It is Somalia African wildlife leopard. I believe this is the second coin of leopard series. A mintage is 30,000 coins. It's not small, but it's also not big. And we don't see this ugly Elizaveta face on the back side, which I do like. You know, shilling, 100 shilling, Somali Republic. Leopards are solitary animals and do not live in families, but they have a strong maternal bond. The newborn leopards are extremely vulnerable and rely entirely on mom for protection. So you see this small guy on the left side and his mom on the right side. It's very cute, right? African wildlife, leopard. The mintage 30,000, all coins came in capsules. Nice. Leopard mother with hair cap. Very cool coin. Second in series. Next one. That's a cool coin. I was thinking buy it or not buy it. You know, you see it came 3-layer production. First it came in plastic, then it came in another plastic. You see, plastic inside plastic, and then it came in another plastic and in air capsule. Wow, that's a real protection, right? That's a real protection. Voila! China. Long, wicker dragon. $1 strike. Yeah, I saw this coin go like 60, 70, maybe even more there, you know, because the first coin, I believe this is the second coin. Classic is reborn, what they say. It's a pattern of original 1911 Chinese silver. The mintage is only 5,000 coins. Nothing. It's a full release of Chinese vintage coin. Dragons, and it has, what, say $1, you see? $1. Nice. Shanghai, minted in Shanghai, in Chinese. Yeah, it's a really nice dragon. $1. Yeah, $1, I believe it will cost like $100 in a year or two. Very cool. And the last one is, again, double protection. Barbados. This is a Caribbean seahorse. Mintage is 10,000 only. Very cool. Barbados goats. Yeah, they like all the seahorse, right? In Barbados. Caribbean silver. Okay, guys. Thank you very much. Silver, Game of Thrones. Bye bye.